Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
This type of excessive yawning is called a vasovagal reaction and occurs because the body is trying to send more oxygen into the bloodstream. Yawning shows empathy. If you yawn when a friend yawns, but don't flinch when you see a stranger yawning, you might want to thank your brain's capacity for affection.
Make your mark, take our lead.
One is that when we are bored or tired, we just don't breathe as deeply as we usually do. As this theory goes, our bodies take in less oxygen because our breathing has slowed. Therefore, yawning helps us bring more oxygen into the blood and move more carbon dioxide out of the blood.
Make your mark, take our lead.
In addition, different regions of the brain control yawning and breathing. Still, low oxygen levels in the paraventricular nucleus, PVN, of the hypothalamus of the brain can induce yawning. Another hypothesis is that we yawn because we are tired or bored.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Yawning excessively may mean taking in this deep breath more often, generally more than a few times per minute. This can occur when you are tired, weary or drowsy. Some medications, such as those used to treat depression, anxiety or allergies, can cause excessive yawning.
Let's help you make your mark.
When we yawn, our face muscle contract and put pressure on the tear glands. This causes them to release excess tears. In addition, most people close their eyes when they yawn, blocking the tear ducts that usually drain excess fluid from your eye.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.